This morning I caught a trade on ES, trading SPX. Made 350 across 4 accounts, so basically $1,400 off of this ES buy. Um, I got in over here off of this candle right here, and I actually got out in this area right here, right? So around the 1 hour, simply because it got me in late. It got me in like a little bit above it, um, but still ended up working out. Um, but what I was looking at was this 1 hour level, which it is now breaking, but um, at this 1 hour level that it broke above, right? Went above it, kept pushing above it for a couple hours, but I was looking to see if the market could return to this level and then also possibly return up to these highs or even higher, right? Not guaranteed, but that's what I was looking for. I then scaled down to the 5 minute time frame in which I got my entry confirmation here. I also got another confirmation off of this next candle too, which also made me, it could at least get up to here, but I closed it before and it did get up to there. But I got in here, placed a stop loss a little bit below the low of this candle, and I let it work, right? Let it work. Got me a decent little profit here. Like I said, I had also got another confirmation for this candle here, which made me think the market could potentially push up, to here, right? In which it did. It pushed up, pulled back, pushed back up there, and now it's tanking. So now I'm kind of waiting to see if we'll get a break below here on the hour and see if we can get some type of retest of this level to then potentially go lower, right? And so I do want this to push down lower, because the lower it pushes down, and the lower it pushes down, and when it begins to retest, I have more space for it to continually go down. When it barely goes down in a retest, I don't have as much space. So sometimes I miss out on trades because I always look to the left, right? Meaning when I entered this trade, looking to the left, I knew off of the original entry, it had the possibility of going for a 5 hour. Why? Because that's where the high was from after it broke out, right? And so, like I said, this is to break below. The lower it goes, when it retests, I got a lot more space that it can reach down to, right? So, um, definitely gonna be paying attention to that. And now it might not even break. It might give me another confirmation to get in for a buy once again. And so, um, I'm actually gonna see, because it is moving in a nice little direction. So, we'll have to see how it plays out. If not, that's a summary of how I made $1,400 trading ES.